Operations control room, we're seeing a pressure drop on line 14B. Can someone verify the field conditions? Copy that. Keep me updated.
Control room, this is Mark. Stand by. I can see fluid dripping from the insulated section near the pipe rack.
Copy, Mark. What's the location?
Section B12. This doesn't make sense. This line passed inspection. The pressure readings are all wrong. We need to shut this down and recheck the logs. Inspector Daniel, we've got a leak on 14B. We need answers. When was the last inspection completed? 8 months ago. No significant findings. Let's not assume anything. We'll follow the evidence.
Visual inspection doesn't show much. The insulation appears intact.
Appearances can be misleading. Hold on. Do you see that staining near the insulation joint? Exactly. Water has been getting in somewhere. You think that's related to the leak? But it's worth investigating. All right, team, remove the cladding carefully.
Cladding is coming off.
Inspector, you need to see this. My goodness.
That's severe corrosion.
Worse than I expected.
The insulation was hiding everything.
How could this happen without anyone noticing? Corrosion under insulation rarely announces itself.
Look at these pits. Some areas have lost significant wall side.
And we couldn't see any of this from the outside. That's what makes CUI so dangerous.
Let me cross-check very well. Map every suspect area. Nominal thickness should be 12 millimeters. What are you getting? Some locations are down to 4 millimeters.
Only 4?
Yes, sir.
We've completed the analysis. What caused the failure? Water entered through damaged insulation joints and remained trapped.
The moisture accelerated external corrosion beneath the insulation.
Most likely, hidden from view. And nobody realized the extent of the damage because the real problem was concealed. What do we do now? We inspect similar lines immediately. Several insulated sections are already scheduled for examination.
We may prevent future failures if we act now.
Then let's get started. The pipeline didn't fail because nobody cared. It failed because the danger was hidden beneath the insulation. Sometimes the most serious threats are the ones we cannot see.